So yesterday you had tweeted about this entire controversy that is taking place about Mohammad Rafi Saab, the way he has, it's been said in Adil Mushkil. You were quite hurt about the entire thing as well. What do you have? Because there are people who are saying that you have to look at this entire line in the context in which it is being said.
देखिए, हालांकि this is not what we are here for. We won't be here for Rakh. But I'll just give you one small thought on this. आप मजाक वो करो जो आप अपने बाप के लिए सुन सकते हो. अगर आपके बाप के लिए ये सुन के खुश हैं आप, चलेगा तो ठीक है. आपके बाप के लिए कोई ऐसे बोलेगा और आपका बाप इतना बड़ा अचीवर हो तो आप क्या बोलेंगे आर्ट है, जोक है. तो मेरे हिसाब से यू कैन, अगर आप वही जोक अपने माँ बाप के लिए सुन सकते हो तो फिर हम गलत हैं. और अगर आप पर खून खोले कि मेरे बाप को ऐसा बोला तूने तो हम सही हैं बेटा. इतने कह सकता हूँ मैं इस पर.
But still, like you've always been I think Mohammad Rafi, in fact, a huge fan actually.
It's about एक आदमी मर चुका है. He's dead and he's not just considered a singer. He's considered a saint. People do not just look at him as a great singer. People who revere him, who know the greatness of Rafi Sahab, look at him like a saint. संत जैसे बोलते हैं ना, सेंट. अभी आपने उनको दिया, मदर टेरेसा को सेंटहुड दिया ना. रफ़ी साहब को सेंटहुड का ही खिताब है हमारे सबके दिलों में. तो भाई जिसके बाप को ऐसा बोला जाएगा वो हताहत होगा ही होगा.
Mohammad Aziz Saab, in fact, he was extremely impassioned, almost like he was on verge of tears when he was talking in the video that has come out. In fact, Rafi Saab's son has issued a statement today as well. Somewhere many people are of this opinion that it's gone a bit overboard.
I do not want to comment much more over this. I just, as I said earlier, अगर आप वही जोक को इम्प्लीमेंट कर लें अपने पेरेंट्स के ऊपर तो आपको लगे कि वो सही है तो फिर सही है. ठीक है, इतने कहूँगा मैं.